Sweet autumn wind blew past my ears, whispering soft. It seems to be saying words of reluctance. Baby, it's summer's farewell on a swift breeze. Maybe it's a warning that winter will soon tease.
Leaves are falling like memories to the ground. The world turns golden in silence profound. In the crisp air I can feel time slipping by. Changing seasons spinning with the sky. Sweet autumn wind hums a tune bittersweet. Whispers of change beneath my feet. Every gust a tale of time's fleeting dance. In the amber glow I lose myself in trance. Dancing shadows play among the trees as the sun casts longer, gentler beams. Nature's artwork painted in red and gold. Stories of an era soon to be told. In the twilight of this changing year, I walk the path without a tear. For autumn's kiss is a gentle goodbye to the warmth of summer and blue sky. Sweet autumn wind hums a tune bittersweet. Whispers of change beneath my feet. Every gust a tale of time's fleeting dance. In the amber glow I lose myself in trance.